Thanks for giving me the opportunity to bring some ideas and to share them with the audience. As you mentioned, we have operations and projects achieved on the 5 continents. So it gives us some kind of a feedback on how things are going and what are the key elements we as developers are expecting from local authorities, from, I would say, the ecosystem, which is where we are operating in order to succeed, in order to bring our contributions to energy transitions and to climate change. Most important thing for us is to get a vision, a visibility of what's lying ahead. In renewable energy, that's our business because we are only developer of green projects, wind and solar. We have to take into account that this is energy, and energy is, I would say, a long-term investment industry, basically. It was the case for oil, for gas, for nuclear. It's the same for renewable. We need to assess how visible can be our market, not market share, but I mean, when we want to invest somewhere, when we want to develop project, we need to see what would be the pathway. And this is the most important thing for us. That's what we are expecting from the government as well, to be able to give this vision of the planning. And as you said, Mr. Director General, this morning, you spoke about continuity. Continuity is key. Setting a planning is important, but implementation is key. And capacity to bring, I would say, a visible, realistic, we don't mean to have large numbers, but just realistic step that has to be crossed on time. And when you feel that in a designated country, those steps are reached each time, on budget, I mean, this creates a considerable trust in the capacity to invest, to develop, and to widen the scope. So that's what we are expecting, especially, and that's for us the key element in order to kickstart, encourage, and develop energy transition policies in any countries.